Today, we are going to introduce 3 different grades of our silicone houses to help you pick the most suitable products for your demand. Here are our grade A best quality products, and this one is grade A silicone houses are manufactured with high-quality real materials sourced from the world-renowned international brands. Thanks to the excellent materials formula, these houses deliver excellent surface growth and superior tensile strength. They feature an extended server life of more than 2 years. In actual use, grade A houses show outstanding tube rigidity with a firmer and steadier hard hand feel, ensuring standable and durable performance under various working conditions. And now we will introduce our grade B. Grade B is for this is all grade B. Grade B is our standard quality models. Also, they are the best sellers in the 3 grades. These regions have relatively high requirements for product quality while being sensitive to product price. We adopt high-quality local silicone real materials from top domestic manufacturers for grade B products. Its surface growth is almost comparable to grade A with a moderate tensile strength. The house rigidity is slightly lower than grade A, and the house has a moderate soft hand feel, achieving a perfect balance between reliable quality and competitive cost. And now I will introduce grade C. Grade C is the cost-effective basic version, where customers prioritize a durable price with basically quality requirements. Its high temperature resistance is relatively limited, with a resistant temperature of around 180 degrees. The house is soft in hand feel with ordinary surface growth. It has a server life of about 1 to 2 years, meeting the basic daily use need of low-budget products. From the best quality to cost-effective quality, we have silicone houses covering all grade demands. Choosing the right grade for your demand to maximize your product competitiveness.